Okay, team. A couple of you have requested a video tutorial on how to do the cat again, so if you've missed it, here we go. We need to write 2 lines of music. Half of it's already done for you. The first line is in 3/4, so there's 3 beats in a bar. You need to fill up these bars with notes so that it adds up to 3. Same thing with this one here. Exactly the same idea, but we're in 4/4. So we need to have 4 beats in this bar and 4 beats in this bar. Make sure you read through the criteria. So you need to use the time signatures provided, which are these things, tell you how many beats in a bar. Use a variety of rhythmic combinations. So you want to just make sure that they're not all the same and make sure you give them a name. Step 2. Actually, still in step 1, if you need some help on the same website, is this sort of cheat sheet that will help you remember what the notes are worth. Cool. Step 2 is the melody. Melody. Read through what you need to do. Each bar needs to have a variety of notes and pitches. Your melody needs to start and end on either C or middle C. Notice that this one starts on C and so does this one. You need to make sure that you end it on C as well. You need to avoid big jumps, no more than a fifth. For example, this note's a C, this one's a D. So therefore C, D, that's 2 notes away. So you need to make sure they're no more than 5 notes away. For example, if I'm at a D, this is D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not allowed to go any 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, I'm not allowed to go any higher than A. If I go to B, that's 6 notes away. So we've got to keep it nice and close. Back to that worksheet I was looking at. Cool. And you need to make sure your melody travels up and down, and then you're going to type it up at the end. So you're going to write out exactly the same thing you did on page 1, copy it down here, but you're going to make sure that you're putting notes that are no more than 5 away and that the last one is C. Same with here. Cool. Then typing it up. I have shared with you this template. Make sure you use it. It will save you a lot of time. The instructions on how to use the template are also on this website. So here's the instructions for Noteflight here. The link to the template is there. It will tell you to make a copy for yourself. There is this button here, save a copy. You're going to save a copy. And then, yep, click leave. And cool, you've got a copy of it. Now your worksheet, whatever was on the worksheet's already typed up for you and you've just got to finish it off. So, say you are on G here. Next note, you're going to choose a note no more than 5 away from G. So I'm going to choose A. So I'm going to type the letter A. That's a crotchet. You might not have had a crotchet though. Pretend you had a quaver. You're going to go up the top to the duration toolbar and click the create quaver. Then you're going to arrow across and choose your next note. So we're at A. We need to choose a note that's no more than 5 away from A. Let's try B. And there's a quaver. If you're happy with the quaver, you leave it. Arrow across. We need a note that's no more than 5 away from B. Let's try C. Awesome. I think I don't want a crotchet this time. I want a 2-beat minim. And it all adds up. Half, half, plus 2 is 3. So we've got 3 beats in the bar. Let's keep going. We're at C. I need to choose a note no more than 5 away from C. Let's try A. And we need to make sure that our last note is C. So I'm going to type a C and I'm going to use another minim. You do the same thing here with 4/4. Make sure you end on C. And there's 4 beats in the bar on the bottom. Make sure you click save up the top and then download it as a PDF when you're done with using this button. Then upload it to Compass or upload it to Google Classroom. Hopefully that helps.